If you want your videos to stand out and grab attention fast, VMake makes it simple. It's an AI-powered platform that helps you create and edit high-performing videos with ease, all in one place. But before that, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get dazzling. What people love most about VMake is how much time it saves while still delivering professional results. You can easily generate different versions of your videos, experiment with unique hooks, and optimize them for better performance, all from one platform, whether you're a creator, a business owner, or marketer. VMake gives you everything you need to make your videos more captivating and results driven. Now, I'm going to show you how. I'm on the homepage for VMake and I'm going to the AI hook. You see what a little fishing hook is? Right there, AI hook, click on, and we're going to pick a voice and we're going to make a UGC video.
Elevate your marketing game with our cutting-edge talking video creation tool.
Sarah, I'm going to use your voice for my UGC video. And Tasha, I'm going to use you to talk about Go Girl Glow. Tasha 1. I'm going to use some special effects, the thermal, and we're going to add that onto the hook creation. It is now generating this fabulous video. Let Tasha speak about, she's going to speak about my new Go Girl Glow shimmering oil, body oil. All right.
Think glowing skin comes from a filter. Cute, but real glow starts with Go Girl Glow. One swipe and your skin's catching light like it's got its own spotlight.
All right, Tasha with the raw video. Now let's do a stylized video.
Think glowing skin comes from a filter. Cute, but real glow starts with Go Girl Glow. One swipe and your skin's catching light like it's got its own spotlight.
Wow, did you see that? The raw video, and did you see the stylized one with the music and the special effects from the thermal? The little magical sparkles and everything. Oh my goodness. I could see that. I could see that on Instagram easily. And then I'm swiping on to see what's this girl go, girl go glow. Go girl glow. I want to check it out. I love that. That was nice. I'm going to the visual hook maker now, and we're going to make a video with an AI avatar. Let's check it out. It's talking about fitness and healthy eating. Put a little special effect on them, and let's make it happen. It's generating.
1 avocado a day gives me clean energy for workouts and helps my muscles recover naturally. 1 avocado a day gives me clean energy for workouts and helps my muscles recover naturally.
I love the stylized video. You see all the little special effects you can add on to your video to make your video pop and stand out on Instagram? Okay, we're going to do that with me now. I'm making a video, a UGC video, and let's see, I'm talking about my Go Girl Glow moisturizer, the shimmery oil that I'm going to be selling soon. Let's see how they stylize it for me. All right, so I'm uploading it, and let's check it out. It's generating. Let me tell you, this Go Girl Glow has been helping my skin shimmer and shine. If you want a nice glow to your skin, check out Go Girl Glow. It really works. Okay. Let me tell you, this Go Girl Glow has been helping my skin shimmer and shine. If you want a nice glow to your skin, check out Go Girl Glow. It really works. I like it. I like it. Yes. All right. So now I'm going to do some editing and let's see what it can do. All right. Okay. I can change the captions. All right. Let's look for a cool one. I like that. Let me tell you, this Go Girl Glow has been helping my skin shimmer and shine. If you want a nice glow to your skin, check out Go Girl Glow. It really works. I like those captions. It even matches the blouse. You can also edit your words. You can take out the background music. If you want a nice glow to your skin, check out Go Girl Glow. It really works. There you go. And you can take out any noise in the background as well. Okay, you can lower the music or take it out completely. I like that. Very nice. Good job. Next, let's try out AI creative ads. And wow, let's upload my Go Girl Glow oil, moisturizing oil, shimmering oil, and let's see what it can do. It's going to spin the effects 360 degrees. That's going to be the effect. The scenario is going to be outdoors. Let's check this out. It's going to be AI scenarios outdoors. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. That's going to be my ad. That's going to be my ad. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, I love it. Okay, so now I'm on the video background remover and I'm going to have the background removed. This is great for Instagram, different videos. You want to change your background. Look at the before, look at the after. I love it. It gave me a green screen. Now I am going to do transparent. A lot of people on Instagram, they do this and they change their background. They take out their background. And then what you can do is add your own background, a different background to make it look like you're somewhere else. Or maybe you're trying to sell a product and you want that background behind you. That is used a lot on social media. So if you need a background remover, this is what VMake can do. Look at that. See what I'm talking about with the Instagram, the makeup, and all the different things they be doing with their backgrounds? That's what I'm talking about. You can do this with VMake. Awesome. Okay, so let's check out the video image enhancer. This is a video I uploaded. Let's see. The original one is kind of dark, kind of not very clear. Look at it. It's blah. Now they're going to enhance it and look at the difference. Look how it's brighter. You can see more details. They clarified so much. Look at now I can see the bridge. Oh wow. I didn't see that before. That's awesome. Wow. All right, now we're on AI creative ads. Check out all the different ads and ideas you can use from animation to you name it. Wow, this is so awesome. You see awesome ads like this usually during the Super Bowl, right? You always see stuff like this, and on social media, you see ads like this because they're trying to get your attention. It has to pop, okay? It has to be over the top to make you look at it. They have some really good stuff. Look at the bird dancing. I love it. Okay, that's pretty cool. Well, I'm going to do one with my product, Go Girl Glow. And I'm going to use the unboxing. And I'm real, oh, that's nice too. I might use that one also. Product escape story. Well, let's check out unboxing because I could see my Go Girl Glow just popping out in a box. It's the holidays. It's almost time to be giving out gifts. This is perfect. I uploaded my, oh, look at that. Wow. There you go. I'm going to use that just in time for the holidays. All right, we're on AI creative ads. We're going to use product escape story. All right, so I'm going to show you. This is a template. I'm going to upload Go Girl Glow and put it in place of that right there on this swing. And it's going to create a whole story. If you're an ad agency or you like to create ads for other people and get paid for it, or a content creator, this is perfect for you. It is generating now. Whoa, that's the ad right there. That's beautiful. Let's check it out. Wow. See how you can put your own product up? Look at this. So if you do ads, you could do ads for people, make money, and advertise on Fiverr that you do ads and use VMake to make your ads. Look at this. Look how easy it is to make an ad. All right. That was awesome. That was awesome. That's the kind of ads you want to put out. Don't just post another basic video. Make it pop with VMake. Hit the link in my description and see how fast you can transform your content. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with VMake. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.